Apple's next big innovation is just over the horizon, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max promises to raise the bar yet again. After the success of the iPhone 16 series, expectations are soaring. The iPhone 17 lineup, particularly the Pro Max model, hints at exciting upgrades, intriguing design tweaks, and features that may set new standards in the smartphone world. Let's dive into what makes the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro Max a game-changer and how it stacks up against its predecessor, the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Design overhaul, familiar yet bold. Apple's design philosophy often combines continuity with innovation, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max exemplifies this approach. Early leaks suggest a significant redesign, with a horizontal camera strip replacing the triangular camera setup we've grown accustomed to. This bold move not only sets it apart visually, but also echoes a nod to Google's Pixel lineup. The frame material is another hot topic. While titanium frames debuted with the iPhone 16 Pro series, rumors hint at a potential shift to aluminum for cost efficiency. However, given Apple's emphasis on premium materials, a switch seems unlikely, but it remains a possibility. Display, same size, smarter tech. The iPhone 17 Pro Max retains the 6.9-inch display, a size that debuted with its predecessor. But this isn't just about dimensions. Apple might introduce low dielectric T technology, enhancing durability and battery efficiency. This could make the display not only stunning but also more reliable for long-term use. Camera innovations, a photographer's delight. The iPhone 16 Pro Max impressed with its 48MP Fusion camera and 48MP ultrawide lens, delivering stellar images with minimal shutter lag. The iPhone 17 Pro Max could take this further by introducing a 48MP telephoto lens, a significant upgrade from the 12MP zoom camera of the previous model. Additionally, whispers of a variable aperture system are gaining traction, promising unparalleled depth of field control for photography enthusiasts. One of the most exciting updates involves the front camera. Apple plans to double the resolution from 12MP to 24MP, a massive leap that ensures sharper selfies and better video quality for FaceTime and content creators alike. Performance. Power meets efficiency. Performance is always a cornerstone of Apple's Pro Max models, and the iPhone 17 series is no exception. Powered by the A19 Pro chip, built on a 3nm process, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to deliver significant performance gains while optimizing power consumption. Reports also indicate a bump in RAM, with 12GB for the Pro Max, enabling smoother multitasking and advanced AI capabilities. Battery life. Holding the crown. The iPhone 16 Pro Max redefined expectations with its record-breaking battery life of 17 hours and 35 minutes in web browsing tests. While details about the iPhone 17 Pro Max's battery are scarce, Apple might introduce a new adhesive technology for easier battery replacements, hinting at a more repair-friendly approach. Charging speeds remain a concern. While the 16 Pro Max supports 30W fast charging, rivals offer far faster options. If Apple boosts charging speeds for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, it would address one of the few drawbacks in its lineup. Software and AI. The iOS 19 advantage. By the time the iPhone 17 Pro Max hits shelves, iOS 19 will be standard. While most features will be available across the 16 and 17 series, Apple might reserve some AI enhancements exclusively for the latest hardware. AI-driven camera improvements, personalized Siri interactions, and smarter automation tools could define the iPhone 17 experience. Pricing and release. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to debut in September 2025, sticking to Apple's traditional release schedule. Pricing, however, is less certain. While the iPhone 16 Pro Max started at $1,199, early speculation suggests a potential price hike. With the rumored introduction of an iPhone 17 Air, Apple might position the Pro Max as a slightly more affordable alternative to its new premium tier. Color options. A splash of elegance. Apple's Pro Max models often feature muted, sophisticated color palettes. For the iPhone 17 Pro Max, leaks point to teal titanium, green titanium, and dark green titanium as possible options. These colors aim to balance innovation with the classic elegance Apple is known for. What sets the iPhone 17 Pro Max apart? Redesigned rear camera strip, a horizontal layout for a fresh aesthetic. Upgraded telephoto camera, 48MP lens for sharper zoom shots. Variable aperture technology, enhanced control for professional photography. 24MP front camera, a leap forward for selfies and video calls. A 19 Pro chipset, cutting-edge performance with improved efficiency. 12GB RAM, perfect for power users and AI-driven tasks. How does it compare to the iPhone 16 Pro Max? The iPhone 16 Pro Max was a powerhouse, setting high standards for battery life, performance, and camera quality. The iPhone 17 Pro Max builds on this foundation, introducing meaningful upgrades without reinventing the wheel. Whether it's the improved cameras, smarter display tech, or enhanced AI capabilities, the 17 Pro Max ensures that Apple remains at the forefront of innovation. Conclusion: is it worth the hype? The iPhone 17 Pro Max has all the makings of a flagship device that continues Apple's legacy of excellence. With standout features, a refined design, and cutting-edge technology, it's poised to impress both loyal Apple fans and new users. As the release date approaches, anticipation builds for what could be one of Apple's most exciting launches yet.